Here I've got Nokia 7.2, and let me show you how to use timer on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick clock app, and as you can see here you've got timer. So if you're in stopwatch, alarm or clock, just go to the timer, and now you can pick the time, so it can be, for example, 23 seconds, and let me activate it. Now you can turn the display off and you will see the information once the time is up. So just give it a few more seconds. If you'll click here, you'll be able to check it. So we've got 7, 6, 5 seconds more. You can switch it off so you can see how your device will react. And here you've got it. You can stop it right here, and that's it. Obviously, if you would like to play it again, just tap here. If you would like to pause the timer, just tap on pause and then you can play it again. You can also add the timer right here, and now you can smoothly add another one and then activate it. So this is it. Then just tap on delete to remove this timer. And that would be all. This is how you can use this feature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.